Namaste dear all. I am Mrs. Maithili V, Reiki Master Teacher from Bangalore. Today I give you in the Gem Remedies chanting two problems. The first problem is sinus troubles. Many people have the sinus troubles. They get lot of headache, they get lot of breathing problems, and all these problems they would be getting. So there you can be chanting yellow sapphire. It can be chanted 100 times, written 100 times, and also can be written on the left side of the body. You may also download the picture of the yellow sapphire stone and you may place it on your phone, on your mobile phone as a wallpaper and watch it for about 5 to 10 minutes in the day. That would give a lot of energy and you will be able to come out of this sinus trouble much easier. Instead of taking higher doses of any medicines, you could easily come out of this sinus trouble in a easier way. The next I would give for preventing the wheezing. Normally the people with the wheezing troubles, they experience this on the change of the season. As one season from summer to rainy to winter to summer, when these changes happen, they have the problem with the wheezing. Many people suffer at these times, otherwise in the continuous season, they do not suffer from this. So to make a healing of that, see, you are unaware that it might come over you. You might suffer from that. You are unaware of that and it comes in. And that time you could chant coral and ruby. Chant coral 100 times, chant ruby 100 times. You may write it on the left side of your body. Write the two names on the paper and stick it to your water bottle. You may also write in a circle and you can just keep it under your pillow. You may carry it in your vanity bags or in the wallet. Anyways, you stay connected mentally to these two gemstone remedies. They are ruby and coral. You will have to chant it at least 100 times daily, or even if the severity is there, you may go to chant 200 times also, because it is naturally going to allow the oxygen supply into your body. So try this, help yourself, help your friends who are in need. You may visit my website, collect my phone number from there. You may contact me for any personal consultations. Thank you all.